$5 in size, star or crack. The policy actually says up to 2 inches. Okay, so if it's up to 2 inches, we will fix it at no cost to the customer. Unlimited again. However, what if the crack occurs in the driver's line of sight? It's illegal in the state of Louisiana to fix that.
Can't repair.
That's going to require a windshield replacement. Okay? Now, I've got a small crack in my windshield right now. I've been putting off getting it fixed. It's only about this big. Why should I quit putting it off and get it fixed? And if it spreads, what happens? I need to replace the windshield, which means I'll probably have a $500 deductible on the comprehensive portion of my car insurance, and I'm going to have to file a claim. And when you file a claim, what happens? I don't care what the TV commercials say. They're bullshitting you. You file a claim, they're going to raise your rates. Okay? So,